So there's one mistake I keep seeing over and over again, and the frustrating part is most people don't even realize that they're making it, because on the surface everything looks fine. Your thumbnail looks good, your title is clickable, people are actually clicking, but then the video just dies. And you sit there thinking, wait, what? I did everything right. I've had this happen myself again and again, by the way, more than once. You upload something, it starts getting clicks, and you think, okay, maybe this will be the one. And then the retention drops, watch time tanks, and the video just stops getting pushed. And for a long time, I couldn't figure out why, until I understood this. Your problem probably isn't your content. It's the gap between what you promised and what you delivered. This is what people call packaging mismatch. Sounds a bit technical, but it's actually very simple. Your title and your thumbnail make a promise. Your video has to match that promise exactly. Not loosely, not kind of, exactly to the point. So you click a video that says why your YouTube videos aren't growing. You expect something very specific, clear, helpful, straight to the point. But then the video starts with, hey guys, in this video, I'm going to talk about my journey. And then you're like, wait, what? This isn't what I clicked for. And even if the video eventually gets there, you've already mentally checked out. I used to think as long as the video is good, it'll be fine. But that's not how it works on YouTube, especially these days, because YouTube isn't just judging your content. It's judging how people respond to your content. And if people click and then leave quickly, that's a very bad signal. I think this is where most of the damage happens. Not halfway through, right at the start. If your opening doesn't match the expectations set by your title and thumbnail, you'll lose people, and fast. And I mean fast, like in seconds. You don't always notice it immediately, but it shows up in your retention graph. That sharp drop at the beginning, that's usually a mismatch. People clicked for one thing and didn't get it quickly enough. Because from YouTube's perspective, your video just disappointed people. And that sounds harsh, but it's true. Even if the rest of the video is great, the early drop tells the algorithm, maybe this isn't what viewers were expecting, and it will stop pushing it as much because of this. Your title and thumbnail aren't just there to get clicks, they're there to set expectations, and your job in the video is to meet those expectations as quickly as possible. So instead of saying, how do I make this one more clickable, start asking, am I delivering exactly what I promised? You see, there's two sides to this. One, your packaging is too weak and no one clicks. And two, your packaging is too exaggerated and people click, but then they leave after. And weirdly, the second one is actually worse because it looks like progress. You get clicks, but no retention, no watch time, no growth, nothing. Clickbait without delivery doesn't work anymore. Maybe it did years ago, but not now. Now it just kills your video even faster. So before I upload anything now, I look at my title and thumbnail and I ask myself, if I click this, what would I expect to hear in the first 30 seconds? And then I make sure that that's exactly what happens. Not later, not halfway through, immediately in the video. This is something small, but I think it makes a big difference. Say your title is why your videos aren't getting views. Your opening should feel like you're probably not getting views for one of these three reasons. Straight into it, no fluff. No long intro, no hey guys, how we doing or whatever. Just alignment. And I think this improves retention a lot because the viewer relaxes because they think, okay, this is what I bargained for. Once they trust that, they're much more likely to keep watching and they may even watch more of your videos. I think this trust factor is very underrated. Every time your video matches your packaging, you're building trust with your audience. And when people trust your content, they'll watch longer, they'll come back, they'll watch more of your videos. But when there's a mismatch, even a small one, you'll lose that trust and it's hard to get it back because now the viewer is slightly skeptical. If I click a video and it doesn't deliver quickly, I'll leave, no hesitation, and I don't think about it again, which is exactly what people do to your videos if you don't get into it quickly. So to fix this, you don't really need to overcomplicate it, just tighten your connection. Make sure your title, thumbnail, first 30 seconds are all exactly the same thing, just in slightly different ways. I think the one idea rule really helps a lot here. One video, one clear idea. Not 5, not 3, 1. Because the more focused your idea is, the easier it is to match your packaging to it. Your video isn't competing on quality first, it's competing on clarity. Do people understand what they're getting? And do they get it quickly? You see, when you fix this, you do get this kind of compounding effect, I think. Everything improves. Your retention will grow up, your watch time will increase, and your videos will get pushed more. Not because the algorithm's changed, nothing has changed, but your content has just become clearer, and it's not, you would say, clickbait anymore. So if I had to start again, I would probably spend more time on this. Less time trying to be clever, less time trying to hack things, more time just making sure that everything lines up, because this is what actually works. So if your video is getting clicks but not growing, this is probably the reason. Not your editing, not your ideas, just a mismatch between expectation and delivery. So if you want to actually understand how to keep people watching after those first 30 seconds, if you can, that's exactly what I broke down in this little video here, because getting the click is step one, matching the expectation is step two, but keeping them watching, that's where the real growth happens.